Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Sony WF C500 earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So to do this, first of all we have to input both earbuds inside the case, charge them for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to open the case, remove earbuds, and then you have to click and hold on the left and the right button together and wait until this indicators starts blinking quickly together, just like that. You will also hear the voice notification that they are in the pairing mode. And right now you have to put them close to your iOS device and go to the settings, open the Bluetooth. Now just wait for your earbuds. Select them from the list. When you are successfully connected, you can also download the Sony headphones application from the App Store. So we have to be connected with the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to the search on the right bottom corner and right now type Sony headphones. We have to get this application. Right now we can open. We have to perform the first setup, so first you have to pick your region and accept this this stuff with this switcher. Click next. Accept everything that will pop on your screen and accept also all the permissions. Click OK. Actually, I'm gonna skip it and I'm gonna do this later. I don't want to restore all the previously settings of these earbuds. I'm gonna set them like for the first time. Click next. Right here, I'm gonna also skip it and click next. I'm gonna skip the 360 sound. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected and we are in this Sony application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.